Hey guys, this is a pleasure to be able to finally ring out. I remember my first day at Sherman. It's been a long road, a lot of lessons learned. I just want to thank our fraternity, the professors that led me along the way. This is a lifelong dream to become a chiropractor, so we're there and it's pretty surreal, but I'm happy to be here. Wouldn't change anything.
Well, much like Andrew, I remember my first day here thinking, wow, I'll never make it to this point. But it's amazing how fast 3.5 years goes. A wise man once said, just keep showing up until they tell you to stop coming. And here we are, and they're basically telling me, don't come anymore. You're not welcome. So you know what? It's been a lot of fun, especially here in clinic, and I want to say a special thank you to our case doctors, Dr. Hudson, Dr. Gold, Dr. Finley, for being there and teaching us everything that they know, or most of everything they know. Always something up their sleeve. But just keep coming and doing your thing, guys. It's going to be a great life. We're going to be made it. All right? Woo!